In this video, I'm taking a really simple project of hanging a picture on the wall and making it complicated by doing it in a place that has multiple sets of wires hidden beneath the drywall. I just got the Walabot DIY 2, and this device is specifically made for pros and advanced DIYers who need a few more innovative features when dealing with complex walls like this one. It includes the same features as the Walabot DIY 2M, which is geared more toward DIYers, but it also includes Expert Mode, which displays the elements behind the wall as more of an interactive heat map. Let's take a look at this in more detail. When the device is in image mode, or when using the DIY 2M that's more geared toward homeowners, it locks on the elements behind the wall and does its best to display what might be behind there, whether it's a wooden stud or a pipe or a wire. In other words, it's really good at telling you where and where not to penetrate the drywall. It's perfect for projects around the house where you might have a general idea of what's behind your walls, but you need a little extra insurance before you fire up the drill. But what about when a wire is nailed to a stud? Here you can see how Expert Mode is able to show me both the stud and the wire attached to it as two separate items. This is where Expert Mode on the Walabot DIY 2 comes in really handy. Another feature that sets the DIY 2 apart from its counterpart is how it can detect movement in the wall. You can see here how my hand movement behind the wall is detected in Expert Mode, and while this situation might be rare, I've heard of exterminators or animal control professionals using it to detect animal life living in places that they shouldn't be. So now if I go back to the commercial space where I have several different elements likely running through metal studs, I can detect where they are with a high level of confidence. In this case, I'm hanging something that's relatively lightweight and I don't have any power tools with me, so I'm going to use a monkey hook to penetrate the drywall and avoid these wires altogether. I did this by toggling back and forth between image mode and expert mode, and also using the intensity slider to find the perfect spot free and clear of any dangers lurking beneath the drywall. I've been using Walabot products for a few months, and I've used them on several different projects during that time. Every time I do, I remind myself how costly it would be to put a hole through a drain pipe, or even worse, through a water line or electrical wire. What's even scarier to think about is how those mistakes may not cause issues right away, but slowly turn into a major problem over time.